taken the cover off of your computer, locate the heatsink. For this computer, the heatsink is right here. And all heatsinks are different. This heatsink has a built-in fan, and that'll help keep it cool. However, not all heatsinks have a built-in fan. This one right here has no fan, but it still keeps the CPU cool. To show your CPU, you need to take off your heatsink. Some heatsinks have screws, others have clips. This one has screws, and see right there. After you take your CPU or your heatsink off, you will show your CPU. This is your CPU. All CPUs stay in differently, but most of them are kept with a latch. In order to take the CPU out, unlatch it and pull it out from the sides. You do not want to touch the bottom of the CPU. When handling a CPU, you must be very, very careful. To put a CPU in, you use what is called zero insertion force, which means just lay it in there, don't press down. Then you just close it back again and re-screw or reclip your heatsink. But before you do that, you need to put thermal compound right on top of there.